My peaceful boat journey. Last week, I went on a long boat journey for the first time. And honestly, the experience was simply amazing. We started from the riverbank early in the morning, with soft mist all around and birds chirping. The boat slowly moved through the river, and I just sat there, enjoying the sound of the waves and the touch of the breeze. On the way, I saw small villages, fishing nets, and children playing by the river. It all felt so peaceful. This few-hour journey felt like it brought me very close to nature. Even now, when I close my eyes, I can still picture those scenes.